Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with day 15 of the November Junk Journal Challenge, and we're going to take some, what is it? The day 15 is scrap paper and 2 pages. So let's get this show on the road. So I'm going to go into my scrap bin, and I'm going to take this. All scraps, guys, all scraps. These that I made. Let me see here. We are going to take this one. Well, not that one. Gotcha. So I'm going to go into my next zipper pouch for scraps here. Put that over here. And let's see where we can pull out the next one. I think I'm missing a few bags here. We need scrap pages here. Okay. That one don't have it. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Ooh. Well, let's see what we have here. We have that. Oops, a daisy. We have these. And we have this. One that I'm not going to show y'all at the moment. Well, I can now. And this one. Okay. So I need more. Let me keep looking. We have book pages. I'm going to keep looking. Okay, I think 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm missing a pouch, but that's all right. I have some pages somewhere. I can use these right here. It's written on the other side, so I consider it junk pages. And we have some more right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I seem to have lost my little mat here. Oh, there it is. Okay. Some of the pages need to be covered. So I'm going to take my little spatula and my gesso here and cover what needs to be covered, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and while those pages are drying, we're going to get to these pages. This one I'm not sure if I'm going to use or not, but let me see. We can fold it this way and burnish it. Let me find my Wank, wank, wank. I'm going to find my burn folder. Okay, I'm going to use this bone folder. I can't find my other one. It's somewhere. So we have this page. I'm going to fold these this way. Or you can fold them going the long way to make a journaling page. Or you can fold them this way too, and you can journal like that. That's my other one, but I can't find it. So I'm gonna keep going. Like this, so. So, I hope everybody's joining us in making these. This is my very first junk journal, so, you know. Oh, I think I have some. Okay, so book pages, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make those into pages that fit this. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. These are all stuff that I saved my pages that I printed on and I wasn't going to use just for this journal. See how easy that is? Let me move my scissors out. That. We have 2 more. This one I'm just going to do this way. Okay. It's a scrap piece of paper, so we got that. Let me see if the other pages are dry enough to do. Okay. I'm going to take this one, I'm going to fold it this way. Okay. And burnish. Put that with the other ones. Take my next one. Oh, these aren't dry. Okay. These aren't dry enough. So, this one is. So we're going to take this one and do it this way. Okay, put that with the stack of other ones. I have another one. Some other ones that I want to use. Huh. Are these it? No, that's not it. Okay, we're just going to roll with it. Now, I'm going to take some of these pages here. Okay. I'm going to show y'all. Y'all can take it and make a shorter page, like so. Okay. Here. Done. Make it a smaller one. And just take these 2 here. See how puffy they are? Go over them and it flattens them. Flattens them just a little. So I'm going to take a few more. Oops. And do the same thing. Okay, one more. And like that. Take all 4 of them, or all 3 of them, and just burnish them down all together. See? Once you burnish them, they get a little bit flatter. So we got those. Now, what I'm going to show you is take 2 of these pages, okay? And the rest I'll probably make into shorter pages also. Let's peel this right here off. And I'm going to space them just a little here, so I have room to bend them. And I'm going to take some washi tape and like so. And making sure I get both pages. Put one end on your board, take the other end, and just smooth with your bone folder and get the tape off. And I'm gonna go back in with my bone folder and make sure it's all the way down. And I'm gonna peel it off. I'm gonna take this end, fold it in. Same thing with this end, fold it. And I'm gonna go from here where this one stops and go to there. Okay, so, and then take my bone folder, right on the edge, right there. And I'm gonna take this, fold it over a little. You might see gesso on my hands because that's what I was using on the other pages to cover my hands with. So then you're gonna take this and fold it right in half. And let's see. I know I'm gonna have to cut a lot of these down, but that's okay with me. So we're gonna do 2 more of those. So here's 2 and 2 more pages. And we're gonna do the same thing. Like this. Put it there. Put it as close to the edge as you can. And take your bone folder or your finger, whatever you have. And this one's not right. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh well. It's just gonna have to do. You're just gonna have to put a little more right in here. Okay. Turn it over. Glue that piece down. Take this one. Put it over like that. Go up to there. Now this time you don't want to pull as tight because it's gonna amp up that page, the top piece. I'm gonna turn this. Now I want this one like so. Okay, then you take it, fold it over. Washi tape also helps it crease a little better. But since you have it doubled over here, you gotta really press the edges. And there you go. You got pages. And then you got pages. So I'm going to take the last 2 and fold them over like so. And we're done with that. Okay. So these are the pages that we did now. Okay. Junk pages into pages. Okay, so I will see you all in the next video for day 16, which is the prompt for day 16 is recipe pages, and we're going to do more of these. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live or when I do a premiere. So I will say please be blessed, be kind, be loving, be crafty, be safe, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye bye for now.